For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you tired of dealing with limited print sizes and slow print speeds on your 3D printer? Do you wish there was a way to upgrade your printing experience without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck because today we're reviewing the Prusa XL, a high-end 3D printer that promises to deliver big upgrades in print size, speed, and quality /N. But here's what surprised me when I first started using the Prusa XL. It's not just about the upgrades, it's also about the ease of use. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, even beginners can get started with 3D printing right away. Therefore, I think you'll be as impressed as I was by this printer's capabilities /N. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive in and explore what makes the Prusa XL so special /N. Deep dive. The Prusa XL is a high-end 3D printer that promises to deliver big upgrades in print size, speed, and quality. With its large build volume of up to 510x610x630, you can print larger models without having to print them in sections or use supports /N. But what really sets the Prusa XL apart is its advanced FDM technology, which allows for faster print speeds while maintaining high-quality prints. Whether you're printing prototypes, production parts, or art pieces, this printer delivers results that will blow your mind /N. And let's not forget about the build quality. The Prusa XL is built like a tank with a sturdy aluminum frame and a robust extruder system. This means you can print for hours without worrying about any mechanical issues. Therefore, I think it's safe to say that this printer will last you for years to come /N. But wait, there's more. The Prusa XL also comes equipped with advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in touchscreen interface. This makes it easy to connect your phone or computer to the printer and start printing right away /N. And if you're worried about calibration, don't be. The Prusa XL has a self-calibration system that makes it easy to get started without any hassle. Therefore, whether you're an experienced 3D printing enthusiast or just starting out, this printer is perfect for anyone who wants to take their print game to the next level /N. Resolution. So is the Prusa XL worth the extra money? In my opinion, yes, this printer delivers big upgrades in print size, speed, and quality that make it a worthwhile investment. With its advanced FDM technology, large build volume, and robust build quality, you can trust that your prints will turn out perfectly every time /N. But don't just take my word for it, try the Prusa XL for yourself. For the best price, click the link in the description. I guarantee you won't be disappointed with this 3D printer's capabilities and ease of use /N.